What's going on, guys? In the garage, I have a '08 VW Passat, the 2.0 turbo engine. So the vacuum pump is kind of leaking from the bottom there. Just gonna show you guys how to replace that pretty quick. This should be a 5-minute video. Alrighty. This is an engine cover. This is mount right here. You're gonna take it out by unclipping the two clips right there and separate the engine cover. There's an air intake system right here. This is what I have on the floor here. You're gonna disconnect that from the engine cover. So then when you take it out, you have all the room here to check all your hoses. So the vacuum pump is held by 3 screws. You're gonna need a T30. So there's one there, one here, and one kind of underneath there. You're gonna see there. So it's only 3 screws. So we're gonna grab the T30 and get it out, guys. So first thing first, your vacuum pump, you see the little holes right there. You're just gonna pull it out, guys. Easy. All right, you guys can see that. Pull it out and set that to a side. All right, so I have my T30 right here. It's time to get it actioned. So first, one T30 right below the hose connector right there. Take that out, right? So you guys see that? That's the first screw. I throw that in my plastic bin, and the second one will be right up here. Alrighty. So the third one will be below there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Alrighty, so we're gonna pull the vacuum pump out just like that, guys. Alrighty, you guys can see. Interesting. So you see the green seal, sometimes they go bad, but I ordered a replacement. It's coming from Amazon. I got a notification that is out for delivery. So I'm just going ahead and taking stuff apart, kind of clean it. I removed the battery so I can clean in the battery compartment right there and just kind of like give it a little bit of touch, because I bought this vehicle like $1,000 and I'm basically trying to renew some parts on it. Transmission is good, engine is good. It's just a lot of little stuff. I just recently changed my initial coil and the spark plugs and everything. So vacuum pump need to be replaced. Putting the vacuum pump in could be very easy. You see the 2 pin right there? They have to line up in the hole. You guys see that? Otherwise, you won't be able to get it in. So you're gonna line it up just like this and put it in. If it doesn't go in that hole, it's not going to. You guys see that? Just like that. So you have, one screw right there, and then another one about right there, and the other one will be below that, guys. You guys can see this one right there. And then go ahead and tighten it down. After you tighten it down, you're just gonna push this hose right on it and make sure you lock in place. That's it, Now you're done. Make sure you push that hose on it and lock in place. But just in case you wanna rebuild it, all right? If you wanna rebuild it, then you're gonna need like a 2 flathead screwdriver to push it inside here, and on the other side here to pop this hose up, okay? You put the flathead screwdriver here, put the flathead screwdriver here, then you pop this connector out and open all of these. To me, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace that. I'm waiting for the replacement. So basically that's it, guys. You put it back on, you clip this on, simple. You're no longer gonna get an oil leak, because you guys can see the oil there. That tells you if this is not sealed right, it's gonna leak an oil, right? If you look down there, you can see the oil down there, right? All right, so that's how you replace a vacuum pump. I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.